అవును సార్. అవును సార్. ఉంది సార్. Okay, good morning to students. This is Srinikonda, working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Satyavaradi College of Engineering, Yeluru. Last class already discussed about first unit 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, History of Artificial Intelligence, Intelligent Systems, example ELIZA, tic-tac-toe game playing, development of AI languages, applications of artificial intelligence, and current trends in artificial intelligence. Today we are coming to second unit. Problem solving, state space search and control strategy. State space search and control strategies. The second is introduction to state space search, introduction to problem solving, general problem solving, characteristics of problem, accessible searches, heuristic search technique.
Sir, your voice is unclear.
Iterative depending constraint satisfaction. And then the secondary topics, problem reduction and game playing, introduction to problem reduction and game playing, problem reduction, game playing, alpha beta pruning, two-player, perfect information. Clear?
Sir, your voice is
Hello.
not clear.
Voice is audible. Okay, what is the problem solving? Okay. Okay, na? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Introduction to problem solving. Okay. Here, what is problem solving? Problem solving is a method of deriving solution step beginning from initial description of the problem to the desired solution. Okay. What is the problem solving? Deriving solution steps beginning from initial description of the problem to the desired solution. Okay. To the desired solution. In artificial intelligence, problems are frequently modeled as a state space problem state from start, okay, from start to goal state. Here, the two types of problem solving methods that are generally followed include general purpose and special purpose methods. Here, a general purpose technique is applicable to a wide variety of problems. First technique, general purpose technique. General purpose technique. Here, a general purpose technique is applicable, where a special purpose technique is a tailored method made for particular problem. The most general approach for solving a problem is to generate the solution and test it. Okay, clear? For generating new state in the search space, an action or operator or rule is applied and tested whether the state is the goal state or not. In case goal state, the procedure is repeated, not the goal state. The procedure is repeated. The order of application of rules to the current state is called control strategy. This is the second thing. This is the control strategy. Okay. State is called control strategy. And next coming to next topic, general problem solving. Here, general problem solving, it defines production system. What is production system? Production system is one of the formalisms that help artificial intelligence programs to do such a process more conveniently in state space problems. This system consists of start state, that is initial states, and goal state, that means final state of the problem, along with one or more databases consisting of suitable and necessary information for a particular task. Here, production system consists of a number of production rules. Very, very important point. Production system consists of number of production rules. Number of production rules. Okay, clear? Production system consists of a number of production rules. Here, production rules. What is production? What is production rule? Here, a production or production rule in computer science is a rewrite rule. Is a rewrite rule specifying a symbol substitution that can be recursively performed to generate new symbol sequences. A finite set of productions is the main component in the specification of a formal grammar that is specially a generative grammar. Okay. Here, production rule may refer to production rules used in business rule engines, cognitive modeling, and artificial intelligence. Okay. Here we artificial intelligence. Here example of general problem solving. First example, water jug problem. Okay, water jug problem. Here water jug problem statement. Problem statement. For example, there are two jugs, a gallon, one, 4 gallon jug and 3 gallons. Measuring marker on it. Okay. There is a pump that can be used to fill the jugs with water. Here, how can we get exactly 2 gallon water into the 4 gallon jug? This is the problem. How can we get exactly 2 gallon water into the 4 gallon jug? Here statement, the state space for the problem can be described as the set of ordered pairs of integers xy such that x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 and y equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2 or 3. X represents the number of gallons of water in the 4-gallon jug. For example, x represents the number of gallons of water in the 4-gallon jug. Y represents the number of gallons of water in 3-gallon jug. Here the start state is 0, 0. The start state is 0, 0. M gallon jug and empty 0-gallon jug. 0-gallon jug and 0 empty 4-gallon jug, empty 3-gallon jug. Okay, that means start state is 0, 0. The goal state is 2n for any value of n. For example, problem exactly 2-gallon water into the 4-gallon jug. That means exactly 2-gallon water in 4-gallon jug. For example, 0. Okay, solution to 0. We have different production rules for solving a given problem. Rule 1, for example, xy. If x less than 4, that means 4y. Four y means 4 equal first gallon jug, first 4-gallon jug. Here 4y means fill the 4-gallon jug. Here we have 2 gallons jug, 4-gallon jug, and 3-gallon jug. First rule, fill the 4-gallon jug. That means we have 10 rules. Fourth rule, xy, if y greater than 0. That means pour some water out of the 3 gallons. Fifth rule, 0 y. That means empty the 4 gallons. Empty the 4 gallons. That means 4 gallons is equal to 0. Empty the 4 gallons on the ground. Sixth rule, xy, if y greater than 0, x comma 0. X0 means empty 3 gallon jug on the ground. Next, seventh rule, xy, if x plus y greater than or equal to 4 and y greater than 0. That is 4 comma y minus 4 minus x. Pour water from the 2 gallon jug. Pour the water from 3 gallon jug into the 4 gallon jug. 3 gallon jug into 4 gallon jug until the 4 gallon jug is full. Until the 4 gallon jug is full. Okay. Until the 4 gallon jug is full. Next, eighth rule, x comma y. If x plus y greater than 3 and x greater than 0. That means x minus 3 minus y comma 3. That means 4 gallon until the 3 gallon jug is full. Until the 3 gallon jug is full. Next, ninth rule, xy. If x plus y less than or equal to 4 and y greater than 0, x plus y 0. That means to empty the 3 gallons. Pour all the water from the 3 gallon jug into 4 gallon jug. Pour the water from 3 gallon jug into 4 gallons. 10th rule, xy, if x, that is 0 comma x plus y, pour the all water from 4 gallon jug into 3 gallon jug. Solution of water jug problem. What is the problem? How can we get exactly 2 gallons of water into the 4 gallons jug? 2 gallon water into the 4 gallons. Okay. Solution. Here gallon in the 4 gallon jug. Gallon in the 3 gallon jug and rule applied. First empty the 4 gallon jug and 3 gallon jug. Empty the 3 gallon jug, empty the 4 gallons. First 2 gallon jug. 4 gallon jug, that means 0, 0, starting 0, 0. Next, apply rule 2. See the rule 2? xy, if y less than 3, x comma y, fill the 3 gallon jug. Using rule 2. Okay, see the rule 2? Rule 2 means x comma 3, fill the 3 gallon jug. Fill the 3 gallon jug. That means fill the 3 gallon jug. 0, 3. Okay, fill the 3 gallon. Next, applied rule 9. rule 9 means x plus y comma 0. Pour all water from the 3-gallon jug into 4 gallons. Pour all water from 3 gallon into 4 gallons. That means 3 gallon into 4 gallon means 3. That is 0. That means 3 0. Okay. Using rule 9. Next is using rule 2. Rule 2 means 3. 3 3. 3. Next applied rule 7. Rule 7 means pour water from the 3-gallon jug into 4-gallon jug, 3-gallon jug into 4-gallon jug until the 3-gallon jug is full. Three-gallon jug into 4-gallon jug until 4-gallon jug is full. Here 3. We need 1-gallon jug. So 3 plus 1 4. Remaining is 2. That means 4 2. 4 2. Okay, 4-gallon jug. What is 4 jug, 3-gallon jug, 2. 2 gallon. Okay. Rule 5 means empty the 4-gallon jug on the ground. Empty the 4-gallon jug in the ground means okay. Next apply rule 9. That means 2 0. This is the solution. What is the solution? Two-gallon jug. Exactly 2 gallon jug. Okay, 2. This is the solution. This is the water jug problem. Water jug. Okay, water jug problem. What is the given problem? There are 2 jugs, a 4-gallon one and 3-gallon one. Neither has any measuring marker on it. There is a pump that can be used to fill the jug with water. The problem, how can we get exactly 2-gallon water into the 4-gallon jug? Here we have different production rules. Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3, Rule 4, Rule 5, Rule 6. Rule 1 means fill the 4-gallon jug. That means 4 Y. Y is 4-gallon jug, X is 3-gallon jug. Rule 2, fill the 3-gallon jug. Fill the 3-gallon jug. Fill the 3-gallon jug. Rule 3, pour some water out of the 4-gallon jug. Rule 4, pour some water out of the 3-gallon jug. Rule 5, empty the 4-gallon jug on the ground. Rule 6, empty the 3-gallon jug on the ground. Rule 7, pour water from the 3-gallon jug into the 4-gallon jug until the 4-gallon jug is full. Rule 8, pour water from the 4-gallon jug into the 3-gallon jug until the 3-gallon jug is full. Rule 9, pour all the water from 3-gallon jug into 4-gallon jug. Rule 10, pour all the water from the 4-gallon jug into the 3-gallon jug. Okay. This is the solution. Using rules. Rules applied. Rule 2, Rule 9, Rule 2, Rule 7. Rule 2, Rule 9, Rule 2, Rule 7, Rule 5, Rule 9. Okay. This is the one solution. What is the output? 3 to 0. What is the output? 2 gallon water into the 4 gallons. Okay. Four gallon jug, 3 gallon jug, 2 gallons of water. Okay, into the 4 gallons. This is the solution. This is the one solution. And another example, water jug problem. Another example, second example. This is the first example. 2-0 solution. Next, second example. Example 2, water jug problem. What is the given problem? Given problem. The problem statement is there are 2 jugs, a 5 gallon jug and 3 gallon jug. Here we have 5 and 3. Last example, 4, 3. Okay. There are 2 jugs, a 5 gallon one and 3 gallon one. Neither has any measuring marker on it. There is a pump that can be used to fill the jugs with water. Here problem, how can we get exactly 4 gallon water into the 5 gallon jug? That means 4 gallon water into 5 gallon jug. 5, 3, 2 jugs, 5 gallon jug and 3 gallon. 5 gallons of water into the 4 gallons of water into the, this is the solution, 4-0. Okay. Here the state space for the problem can be described as the set of ordered pairs of integers xy. That means x is 5 gallon jug, y means 3 gallon jug. Such that x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Okay. 5 gallon jugs. Okay. So x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. And y equal to 3 gallon jug equal to 0, 1, 2 or 3. Here x represents the number of gallons of water in the 5 gallon jug. Okay. X represents number of gallons of water in the 5 gallon jug. Here y represents the number of gallons of water in the 3 gallon jug. Okay. Number of gallons of water in the 3 gallon jug. Here the start state is 0, 0. Initial 0, 0 empty jugs 0, 0. The goal state is 4n. N equal to 0, 1 or 2 or 3. For any value of n. Okay. The goal state is 4n. N equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Now 1 or 2 or 3. Okay. Here 3 gallon jug. What are the rules? The production rules for water jug problem. Here we have 8 rules. Example. Rule 1. Y comma 5 comma y. Rule 5. X plus y 0. That means pour all water from 3 gallon jug into 5 gallon jug. That means okay. Rule number 6. 0 x plus y. That means sorry. Pour all water from the 5 gallon jug into 3 gallon jug. That means empty 5 gallon jug into 3 gallons. Okay. Next, rule number 7. Pour water from 3 gallon jug into 5 gallon jug until 5 gallon jug is full. Rule 8. Production rule 8. Pour water from 5 gallon jug into 3 gallon jug until 3 gallon jug is full. These are the production rules. 8 rules. One solution to the water jug. Solution. Here starts 5 gallon jug equal to 0. 3 gallon jug 0. Okay, 0, 0. 0, 0. Let's apply rule 1. Rule means 5, 0. Okay, next apply rule 4. Rule 4 means empty 3 gallons. Empty 3 gallons means 3, 0. That means 2, 0. Okay, 2, 0. Next apply rule 6. Rule 6 means empty 5 gallons into 3 gallons. Water from the 3 gallons into 4 gallons. 3 gallons for the all water from the rule 6. Rule 6 means empty 5 gallons into 3 gallons. Empty 5 gallons into 3 gallons. That means pour water from empty 3 gallons into 4 gallons means 0, 2. This is the rule 6. Next, to apply rule 1. Production rule 1. Rule 1 means fill 5 gallons. That means fill 5 gallons means 5 G, 5 2. Next, apply rule 8. Pour water from 5 gallon jug into 3 gallon jug until 3 gallon jug is filled. Until 3 gallon jug is filled, you have 2 gallon jugs, remaining 1 gallon. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. That means 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 4, 3. Okay. Next, apply rule 3. Rule 3 apply just empty the 3 gallon jug. 3 gallon jug. Okay, solution 4, 3 or 4, 0. 4 n. N equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the solution? 4 gallon water into the 5 gallon jug. Okay, here 4 gallon water. This is the solution. Very, very important topic, water jug problem. Okay. This is the solution. 68.